So hey guys, today we are going to take this steering wheel off and put it back to center and put it right back on. It does not pull side to side, it just steering wheel's a little off tilt there. So first thing you want to do is take your flathead and just easily put it underneath this cover. Pull that up. Disconnect your little wire. Set that cap to the side. You got 3 little springs here. Put that to the side. Take your screwdriver again. Put it underneath this plastic cover. And then work it around. Unplug it. Then you got 2 wires. One's in the center and one's a little off to the center. And you just take this one and you pull this one completely out. It kind of spring loads in there and touches the side. That's your ground. And push that to the side. Now this will have to be shoved down in there. So you just shove that down the center. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. Okay, once we get it down to where the little wire's sticking up out of the center about that much, it'll be out of our way. Now the nut in there is a 30 millimeter, or at least that's what fits for me. Get your little extension. And then that comes off. Get your little needle nose, get your little nut, set that aside, and your steering wheel should just pop right off, and then we can recenter it. I'm going to go a little past center because it's a little off. So, and then we just reassemble it. So that's it.